How to add gift in Instagram comments. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you that how you can add gift in Instagram comments. So to add a comment on the Instagram, you will have to open the Instagram app, and then you will have to find the post that you want to comment on. Scroll through the feed and search for the post that you want to comment on. So let me select this. Let me select this post, and now I will have to tap on the comment button below the post and open the comment section. Now you will have to tap the gift button to the right of the comment box. This will open the gift directly, so you can see the gift option, and from there you will have to select any of the gift that you want to send to, and search a gift by tapping a keyword in the search bar or browse through the trending gifts, and you can select tap on the gift you want to use to add it to your comments. And then once you have selected your gift, tap the post button to add your comment with a gift. So let me select this comment, and you can see that this comment is now posting. So please note that the ability to add gifts to comments is only available on the Instagram mobile app and not on the desktop version, and additionally the feature may not be available to all users, and it may take some time to roll out to users worldwide. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.